Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can remove blank cells and blank rows inside of Google Sheets in a very easy way. Okay, now as you can see here we have a simple table with some empty rows like these ones for example that we want to get rid of, okay, automatically. Now how are you going to do this is by creating a filter. So you want to select your whole table by going into this rectangle here and just by clicking, and now you want to go to data and you want to click on create a filter. And now you're gonna have this drop-down menu inside of each header, inside of each column, right? As you can see here. So you're just gonna click on this, for example, in this first column. It doesn't really matter in which you do it. And now you wanna untick this blank spot on here, okay? And now you wanna press OK. And as you can see now, what happened is that we don't have the duplicates anymore. Okay, this is what we have now. All right, that's it. Thank you very much.